Bro, get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Stop. Get out of here. I didn't do nothing.
On April 7th, 2023, officers responded to a call regarding a man being in emotional distress and allegedly threatening to cause harm.
You alright, man? What do we got going on? What's your name?
Alright, one, relax. I'm just taking out the trash.
No, we just got a question, bro. We just got a call about you. Just want to make sure you're alright.
That was my girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Did you make those comments?
We got into an argument. She's feeling whatever. But you don't need to come out here all crazy.
No, I just want to make sure you're alright.
Just asking you questions.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine.
What did you make those comments?
What comments?
Did you say you were gonna?
You wanted to open? No.
You didn't tell her that?
No. I ain't deep for that. I'm not. I'm not none of that. I'm a little intoxicated. But I'm not. I ain't beat for that. I got kids. A newborn daughter. I got another one on the way, and they're more important to me than anything else. So it's really stupid. So that answers your question.
You didn't make any comments to anybody that you were going to intentionally...
No. So I don't know if she took something the wrong way, but we was in an argument. I am intoxicated, but it's not like that.
Just alcohol? You're not going to get in any trouble. Just...
Dude, they save the,
No, we're just asking.
Excuse me?
I said save the bull.
Yeah, it's not bull.
No, no, it is bull.
No, it's not. There's accusations being made. We're doing
I know, I got you, but yo, calm down.
No.
Relax.
I don't need your... All right, so you save your bull. You can save your bull. All right, show me the messages between you and the girl, because if not, I'm going to have her send them to me, and if it's on there, go to the hospital. All right, that's cool. We'll do it that way.
You know, go to the hospital. Like I said, I have no intentions of nothing. Okay? I was just taking out my trash. We got into an argument. I don't know what she called y'all about. But you,
Yeah, how you doing?
you need to calm down.
No, you need to go inside. You clearly had too much to drink tonight. I'd call it a night before you end up where you don't want to be.
I did. But your attitude, you need to shut the fuck up.
Me? Me shut the fuck up? Probably not likely.
You need to relax.
Probably not likely.
You need to relax.
Probably not likely.
So like I said, I'm not trying to harm myself. I'm not trying to harm nobody else. All right?
His girlfriend here?
No, she's not. She's in. So like I said.
No, I'll get in touch with her.
calm your ass down.
You don't have to worry about it. I'll get in touch with her.
All right? I
And
don't
if she
care.
submits whatever to me, I'll just
You're
be back.
young. You're young.
I'm
you
young?
haven't been
Thank
through in your life.
No? What have you been
All
through?
right? I've been through a hell of a lot.
Oh, let's hear about it.
All right? So shut the fuck up
Hear about
Relax.
and relax a little bit.
Curse again, and I'm locking you up for disorderly conduct.
I can curse all I want.
You can?
That's First Amendment, bro.
Why don't you relax and watch
That's First Amendment.
You can.
I could curse.
Right.
I can say whatever I want. I'm not threatening you.
No,
I'm
I
not
feel
threatening
threatened.
nobody
I feel
else.
threatened.
It doesn't matter what you feel.
It doesn't?
What are you?
What is it? Oh, see,
Relax.
now that's a biased comment right there.
No, it's not.
It sure is.
It's freedom
Are
of
you a
rights,
homophobe?
bro.
Are you a homophobe?
No, I'm not.
What
My
is it?
brother's gay.
Hey, is there anybody else
Okay.
in the house with you guys?
There's First Amendments, bro.
You're right. No. There's only one First Amendment. There's only one First Amendment. You
I
gotta
can say
drop that S.
What I want.
You got to
I
drop
can
that
curse
S.
what I want.
There's only one First
I can
Amendment.
tell you to f off if I want.
Can you?
Yeah, I can. Listen,
Right.
listen, whatever.
Exactly.
I can tell you whatever the f I want, and you can't arrest me for that.
Can't?
Get the f out of here.
No, I'm good.
All right?
Call for service.
I don't give.
Here all night the way you're acting.
Dude, I can do it.
You can do it.
I can do it.
Let's do it.
I did 10 years in prison already.
Wow, that makes you cool.
It makes
That's
you
something
cool
to brag
too.
about. That's
Like
something
I
to brag
said,
about.
Is there anybody else
like I
inside the
said,
house?
I have no intentions of doing whatever. I am intoxicated a little bit, but like I said, I can say what I want.
Me too.
You can't just arrest me for whatever.
Sir, is there anybody else in the house?
All right? So I can tell you to off, and you can't do.
Excuse
All
me.
right?
That's what borough ordinance is.
Hello.
So like whatever.
Hello. Is there anybody else inside the house?
Yeah, my mom's in the house, my brother's in the
They're
house.
both inside?
So like I said, all right, you off,
they awake?
and if you want to
You got
talk
your
to
ID?
me,
You got your ID? What?
it's in the
You got your
house.
ID? Good. Go get it.
All right.
Are they awake?
Listen,
get it.
I
Go
don't
get
have
it.
to just
No,
go
no,
get
you're
it like
getting a
that.
borough
All right?
ordinance.
So like I said, if you want to
You
talk
got
to
his
me,
name, date of birth?
or if you want to talk to me,
What's
I'll
your
talk to
information?
you.
What's your name?
I'll talk to you,
Yeah, well, we all.
What's
and
your
I'll
name?
talk to you.
What's your name?
Sir, is there
What's your
anyone
name?
inside that
My name is
awake?
David.
Angel
All right.
inside?
What's that?
So like I said, you can't just talk any
Date of
kind of
birth?
stupid crazy.
Like to talk to me? Your date of
All
birth?
right.
What's your birthday?
12/16/1985.
12,
All right.
Back up.
16,
I'll back up and I'll say it from here.
85.
You can't just talk any kind of crazy to me,
Inside the house.
and I can say
Yo.
whatever the fuck I want.
Yo,
That's
hello.
You'll be getting a borough ordinance
I
cop.
don't give a
Enjoy your court date.
fuck out of here, man.
Your court date. Your court date.
Your court
Enjoy
date.
your court date. Date.
I can say what the fuck I want, man.
Can you
Yeah.
get
First Amendment, motherfucker.
David,
You're a
hey,
Amendments, right?
hey,
yeah.
Why are you walking away and acting tough?
Get your brother.
I'm right here.
Come on. Hey,
I'm
come
right here, dude.
I'm standing right here.
I'm right here.
I am?
You're a young cop.
I am?
David, excuse me.
Mother,
You can go inside, get your brother.
take that badge off.
You want it? You can have it.
Get your brother.
You ain't ready for it, mother. You ain't ready for it,
You ain't
bro.
ready?
Listen,
You-
listen.
Come on.
I've been through
Good
it,
night.
bro.
Good night.
I trained with cops,
Good night.
bro.
Good night.
I trained with cops,
Good night.
bro.
David, yo, let's go. Come on.
Good night.
Get your brother. Come on.
You're just a young punk.
Let's go.
night.
You're not trying to help the community. You're trying to help people out.
Angel.
You're just trying to prove something.
Come on.
But you're
Come on.
Good night.
you're a mother.
Inside. Inside.
Take that badge off.
Good night.
Talk to me like a man.
Let's go. Come on.
It'd be a different story.
David,
night.
inside. David, inside. Is Angel in here? Can I
Come
talk
in
to him?
here.
Can I talk to Angel?
No, you can talk to me.
I just want to make sure that
No,
somebody's
look,
going to be
you
here.
can talk to me.
I want to make sure someone's here with you.
What's your
Make sure you're all right.
necklace?
Yes.
Look, my name is David.
Okay. I know who you are.
Can we shake hands like
I don't
men?
shake anyone's hands.
Can we shake hands like
For
men?
what? We got called here. We
I
have to
just
make
want to
sure.
make sure that someone's here looking after you tonight.
Okay.
Okay?
Look, I didn't ask you to come in.
Come on. Hey, hey,
Get out.
hey,
Get out.
hey, come on.
Get out.
Come on. Come on.
I didn't let you in.
Look at me.
I'm letting Officer Manglis in. I'm letting Officer Neglis in.
Okay.
And
Listen.
I'm letting Officer Jankovic in.
Hey,
But Figueroa, you're get the fuck out.
come on. Go get your brother.
Get out. No, look, hold on. I'm not asking y'all to get out.
Go get your brother. Stop. Go get your brother.
Motherfucker, man.
Come on. Go get your brother.
I can't wait, bro.
Go. Come on. Just go.
Come see me like
Go get your brother. Go.
Angel. Angel. Venga aquí. I got the cops here. They want to make sure I'm okay. Support called them on me because we was in an argument. Support. Yeah, I'm alright. But the cops are.
Dave, I want to come talk to him right there. He doesn't have to come out of bed.
He's sleeping.
I know. I'm just gonna talk to him right here. Hey, Angel. Angel. Hey. What's up, man? Hey, listen. Your brother might have made some comments to his girlfriend. We don't know exactly what's going on. Okay. She called us. Said that he was, and he made some comments. He's telling us he didn't. He's fine. Can you look after him for the night? You got it. All right. Good night.
I'm sorry.
Hey, call us if you need anything. All right.
No,
Good night, man.
I'm sorry.
All right. Go to bed.
That cop right there.
Good night, Dave.
All right. Come on.
Hey, check out Dave.
All right. Just stay inside. All right.
Come see me when
Stay
you're
inside, Dave.
Come on.
Dave, we're done. We're done here.
Come on.
Okay, I'll shut the.
Hey, come on. We're cool.
All right, I'll shut the up. I'll control the door. I'll shut the up. But just know that one.
Dave, go back inside, David. Back inside. Thank you. I don't care what you are. Come on. Go back inside.
I just don't like the way he came.
Okay.
I respect you.
All right.
And I respect the,
Well, do me a favor.
the way y'all
Sir,
came.
go back in.
That other
Go back inside. Go back inside.
I'm over here. You're looking at the wrong cop.
All right, so you you're,
Thank you. Again,
you ain't tough.
you just keep going with the bias stuff. You know,
You know how we got beat up in high school, mother.
all the time.
Hey, inside. Inside. Inside.
You don't know what real life is? Real life
sergeant.
Angel, come get him.
Go back
I
inside.
understand.
Thank
But it's my right to say what I want to say.
Not at 12 o'clock. Go back inside.
Go see me after duty.
Go back inside.
Go
Go
see me
inside.
after duty.
It's the last time you're going to be told to shut your door.
See my face. See my face.
Angel, put him to bed. Come on. Come on, go to bed. Enough of this.
Whatever, man.
You step out of there. I'm locking you up for disorderly conduct. The sergeant don't got to tell you 100 times to get in your house.
I got Sarah.
All right, go back inside.
What's your name?
Chris Figaro.
Chris Burnett. Okay.
Go inside. Go to sleep.
Bro.
Dude, I'm not kidding.
No, you're under.
Bro.
You were told 100 times to get in the house, and that's what we're doing here.
You get off my porch. Hold on. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting.
Roll back.
Roll over.
Look. I'm not resisting, bro. Put your... Give me your... Look. My hands behind my back. My hands behind my back.
Give me your arm.
Don't get me. I didn't do nothing. Get off of me. Why are you coming at my house? I didn't do nothing.
Get outside. Step outside right now.
I didn't touch you. Get out of me. Get out of me. No, get out of my house.
Get outside right now.
My camera is here. Get off of me.
Get outside right now.
I didn't do nothing. I just woke
You're
up.
under arrest.
No,
You're
get out
under
of my
arrest.
house.
Come on.
I have my mother. I am a living aid. I just walked over to grab my brother.
Just step outside.
You saw that.
Step outside
No.
with us. No.
Get off of me.
You're coming outside with us.
Bro, get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Stop. Get out of here. I didn't do nothing. Get out. I didn't do nothing. Why are you touching me? I didn't do nothing. I just woke up. My didn't get dropped.
Get down.
Why are you doing this?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Why are you attacking me? Why are you shot? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you fucking shot? I'm an animal. Why are you doing
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you doing this?
I just woke up. Put your hands.
Put your hands behind your
Why
back.
are you doing this?
My God!
I didn't do nothing. My arm, my elbow. Wait. Why are you doing this? I'm under arrest. Why? Why are you doing this?
No!
You ain't touching her. Leave her.
Shut up.
What is wrong with what happened? Why are you arresting me?
I have the right to
I
know!
didn't do anything.
Pick him up.
Is what
I didn't do anything. Why are y'all
No,
doing
you
this?
shut up!
You shut up. Off her.
Back up, man.
I want to know what's going on with my
I'll explain it to you once we clear up right here, okay? Stay over here. Come here.
No!
I'll explain it to you in a
I didn't
second.
do anything. I'm sleeping.
He's gonna ask me
I didn't push. I dragged baby. How's that push? How's that push? You are lying. I didn't push anyone. I grabbed my brother.
7 Grove for a
And I just
10-year-old
woke up.
who
Look at
hasn't
me.
returned home yet.
Since when do I fight with y'all? Yo, I didn't touch an officer. My video is in. Look, my camera's right there. It sees everything. Why are you touching me though?
You're under
I just woke up.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Obstruction.
I didn't touch an officer. I dragged my brother like y'all told me to.
Come on.
Oh my God, are y'all serious?
Then your brother went under arrest, and then you held him.
I grabbed him.
Yeah, you held him back from us.
No. You said he told me to grab him.
That don't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah, after he
Y'all
after
don't
under
make
arrest.
sense, yo. Y'all set me up.
Both men were charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. What do you think would be an appropriate sentence? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.